Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another unboxing here of the Staub cookware. So I am expanding my horizon with the Staub cookware. So these are the ceramic bowls. So I just want to quickly show you right here. Recently I purchased these online. This is the 6.5 ceramic bowl that I have purchased. Currently, the price on the Swirling website is $30 original price. Currently, they're listing it for $19.99. Don't forget to use my coupon codes in the below so then you can apply it and you get a discount, which is 20% off, and it's going to be around $16. Now, please note that I do not get any profits over you using the coupon code. I just wanted to share the coupon code because I love Staub so much, and I feel like since I'm purchasing so much things with them and continuing to have the coupon code, just wanted to share with you guys out of a courtesy. So don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel, hit the bell notification so you won't miss another video of my Staub unboxing. Please also give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. All right, so let's continue on with the unboxing here. So let's go ahead and open the box here. I love how they kind of let you know, hey, please clean before the first use. I found it hilarious here. Really funny. I hope everyone do wash these bowls actually without their little warning sign here. Now, what I really enjoy with the ceramic bowl here is that the interior is a cream color. So then the things that you put in there, you can definitely see a good contrast to it. And the outside is the nice deep blue. And most of the color is aligned with the color options that you might have with their cookware, like your Cocotte, okay? So this is definitely a new territory for me in terms of expanding it into a ceramic bowl that they have. These are all hand finished with the coating in terms of the painting or handcraft finish with the coating of the color and the nice polished finish on the outside. Now these are actually, you can put them into the freezer and then directly put it into the oven as well. So these are actually very, very good use, right? So, you know, you can put it in the microwave. These are also dishwasher safe for those people who use their dishwasher frequently, so you don't have to worry about cleaning up. So cleanup is easy. Also for those people who wanted to reheat some food, don't worry, these are also microwave safe. So let me just give you an idea with the colors here. I mean, I got all blue here, so just wanted to show you. So I bought a set of 4 this time, and then I am probably going to consider expanding to different colors, probably also different size perhaps. But this is really the first time that I am purchasing something like this with their ceramic. Now these are all designed in France and then manufactured in China. So, but it actually have a very good feel to it. It's heavy, okay? It's not too light. Definitely not on the light side. It's pretty heavy, and you don't have to worry about, you know, being very careful with these, because if you bump into it, it doesn't really scratch or, you know, easily chipped. So, but don't do this on purpose. But it also actually make a quite nice, beautiful sound. It's like, cheers. Okay. Yeah, so this time I had purchased these on the website, so I actually paid $16. Now, usually I look for like the best deal, but I think this is actually pretty good, to be honest. The reason why I didn't hesitate buying it online with the coupon code, because I went to the local Swirling factory outlet store, and then they were charging these for $24. So it's actually more than the website. So that's why without a doubt, I'm pretty sure the $16 is actually a great deal. So thanks for watching another unboxing here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video and update. Thanks for watching.